Hey guys, welcome back to the show and thank you for tuning into this episode of Hooked on OC right here on WMDT TV 47 every Sunday morning. You know what time?
7 a.m.
Yeah, Parker.
Before I get up.
Parker knows what's going on. Maddie's still asleep, man. She's got a DVR like I do.
Watch us on YouTube.
Or watch us on YouTube at youtube.com Unscene Pro. And here we are again. It's one of my favorite spots. People tell me all the time they see my truck here because it's true. I do not own the place. I have no vested interest in it other than telling you people about how awesome the food is here and how good of friends I am with the people that work here and that do own the place. And I'm with two of my favorite ladies kind of in the world, Jamie Parker and Maddie Starrett. These guys are Instagram stars, all right, most of the time. Check out their Instagram stuff at Crabs to Go, Facebook Crabs to Go. And today we're here to talk about the food. This looks like lunch special stuff in the off season, but obviously not in the season. Nobody really does lunch specials during the season, but it's on the menu. It's all reasonably priced, and
this one's
it's
actually
delicious.
New to the menu.
All right, let's talk about that first then.
Yeah, we have new menu coming out shortly, and this is one of our lunch specials in the off season that kind of took off. We have a lot of requests for it, so we've decided to add it to the menu, and it's the shrimp tacos.
Okay, gotcha.
Backed by popular demand.
So new to the menu all the time.
They're not as special, but they're on our menu now, so you can get them year round.
Got it. Do you lemon these or anything? Because I'm taking a bite out of that.
Spritz.
Yeah. Oh, that's like some Long John Silver's TV or something there. It was way better. This is way better than that.
How'd we do?
Yeah, it's good. Really, really good. Sweet. Okay, next up.
Next up are fish tacos. We've talked about these before, but they are just super popular. We can't get enough of them. It's our fresh rockfish. We beer batter it, serve the same way as the shrimp tacos with some fresh pico, pickled beets, some lime juice, and served with a side of our fresh tortilla chips, Old Bay tortilla chips, and salsa.
Is that Sig Sriracha?
The signature sriracha sauce. You guys already know about
We came up with that last year and it worked. That's delicious. That's delicious. And then Parker, on that side, we got some broiled and fried food.
Yep, so these are actually two of our most popular sandwiches, hands down, our top sellers all day. Our crab cake, we make them fresh every single morning with all of our jumbo lump, backfin lump crab meat that we mix together in a homemade recipe. You can get it fried or broiled, so whatever suits you, but it's perfect either way. And then we also have our soft crab. We just started getting them in fresh.
Ding ding! Keep talking.
So we clean them fresh in-house and then dip them in a homemade batter and deep fry them. It doesn't really get much better than that.
No,
those babies are good.
Look at this. Look at this. It's like it's trying to get away from the bun. Let me out.
Wow, such a big bite.
Mark said something about the crunch. Listen. I sometimes feel like I'm gonna pass out while I'm eating this food. And then obviously hard crabs.
Obviously hard crabs.
Oh my God.
That would be our #1 seller of all times. That is why we're here, to sell crabs to go. But these are our fresh Maryland crabs. They've been coming in daily from the Chop Tank River, the Miles River. So they're definitely the best of the best. They're running fat and heavy. Can't go wrong.
I'm standing right here.
Look at this thing. Oh my gosh, I want to eat this.
Yeah, look at it. Take a look at it.
It's as big as my head.
That'll take the camera off of me stuffing my face for a second. Look at this. That's what you're getting, folks.
Good
Large
stuff.
and sometimes jumbo. Call ahead. You can call ahead, right, Parker?
Yeah, call ahead, especially for weekends and holidays. So we can guarantee that you get what you want. You know, first come, first serve. So call and order them up, and we got you.
410-641.
9379.
9379. You can check out the menu online at
crabstogo.com.
On cue.
Woo!
Way to go. Way to go. Right here, folks, you see my truck out front all the time because I'm here all the time. The food is that good. Girls, thanks very much. I'll see you here tomorrow, next day, day after that. Guys, we'll see you in just a second with a little bit more Hooked on OC. We'll be right back.
Oh my God.